What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today. As you can see, Dogecoin is not really doing as good as other cryptos right now, but it's still going up. So anyways, Dogecoin at 23.88. We can still have potential to reach our resistance over here at 24.50. But before we go over all this, please hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And also don't forget to check out all the other links in the description as well. So let's get straight to the Dogecoin technical analysis and Dogecoin news for today. So I do want to talk about the technical analysis first here with Dogecoin. As you can see here, we started to go down a little bit, but now we're trying to reach back over here to our previous resistance over around 24.50. So we're heading towards 24.50. Hopefully we can actually break out over there, because as you can see here, Dogecoin is up 3.40% today and down 13.80% in the last 7 days. But when you look at it for the last 24 hours, we're still doing all right. But yeah, let's go over the technical analysis. So over here, you can see Dogecoin price looks bearish, as they say, anticipating at 18.6 target for Doge. So it does look slightly bearish over here a little bit because we are down a little bit still. But one thing I do want to mention is everything's starting to kind of recover a little bit. As you can see, Bitcoin back at $46,000 at 5% for the last 24 hours. You got Ethereum up 4.65% in the last 24 hours. Then you got, your little Cardano up just a little bit, and Binance Coin and everything else is up a little bit. So anyways, let's go over this technical analysis. Now, they say Dogecoin price continues a downward slide, and they're saying 22.3 is near-term support. So 22 cents, they're saying, is our next near support. Now, if we do go down to 22 cents, that is just about right there. So if we go to where they're predicting that we're going for our near support, they're predicting that we go down to here. Now, this could happen looking at how the chart is right now, because the chart could do something like this and then start to try to go up again and then drop a little bit more and then continue to go down eventually till it hits the support. That could happen. Or the other thing that could happen is us continuing to go up on this little trend here, hitting this resistance. Hopefully, if we do hit the resistance, that we don't get resisted and that we actually end up breaking out. So another thing I want to go over here with Dogecoin, as you can see, 12.5 cents. They're saying 0.125 is the near-term bearish target. That's what they're looking for. Now, that is very low. If that goes that low, I will be buying lots and lots of Dogecoin. No doubt about that. But anyways, Doge price continues to slide lower, as they say. Dogecoin price must hold at 22.3 to prevent further downside momentum or movement. So over here, Dogecoin price could lose around 23 cents and create the lowest close the past 30 days, as they're saying, past 36 days, as they're saying. So while a deeper bearish target towards 66 cents, I don't know why they're saying that, bulls will likely find support against 61.8% Fibonacci retracement expansion to 18 cents. And I already have that support here for the 18 cents for that Fibonacci retracement level that they're talking about. It's all the way down there. Now, that is a very low point. I really hope it doesn't. But, if it does, I'm going to be buying lots of Dogecoin. So anyways, the relative strength index has crossed below the final oversold condition in a bull market. So further movement below 40 in the relative strength index means our strength index means a likely shift to bear market conditions. So they're saying we're shifting to a bear market. The next support level in the relative strength index would be at 30. So if Dogecoin continues to be bearish, just know Bitcoin will continue to be bearish too, because look, compare Dogecoin to Bitcoin, like their percentages are nearly the same: 3.24%, 5.22%, 6%, 13%. So they're kind of like almost the same. Now, obviously, Dogecoin's percentages are going to be more outrageous because it's cheaper compared to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's more expensive. But as you can see, Bitcoin was rallying from $44,000 all the way to $46,000 today. So Dogecoin is kind of inside of a similar, area that Bitcoin is. As you can see with Dogecoin didn't rise as much, but still it came all the way from 23 cents all the way up to where we are now, to about 23.89, almost 24. But yeah, Dogecoin definitely has potential, but I do believe that we may be inside of a little bit of bearish movement in both Dogecoin and Bitcoin, not just one. they're both inside of bearish territory. So anyways, the composite index has touched historical support zones, but Dogecoin failed to respond with a bullish reaction. So as a result, the optics brands may have to move to extreme lows and oversold levels before any genuine bullish change. So that definitely sucks, but we do have to, drop down a little bit so then we can build momentum to get right back up to where we were before. Now, hopefully we can actually end up passing what we need to pass, which is the resistance of this level right here, which is around 24 cents, 24.50. But yeah, bears will need to be cautious about any move that puts the lagging span above the candlesticks. This would occur at 33 cents. However, there remains a significant cluster of resistance before Dogecoin could entertain a truly bearish drive higher between 25.6 and 28.5. So they're saying in order for us to be bullish, we would have to pass about 25 cents before we can even think about being bullish inside of the Dogecoin market, which would be about right here around this area. So first, we would have to pass this little resistance of 24.50, and then we'd have to pass our 26 and eventually 28-cent support before our resistance, before we're actually bearish and end up going all the way up here. So there's a lot that we have to do here in Dogecoin before we can even think about becoming bearish and actually rising above the ranks with Dogecoin. But this is actually a big statement down here. Dogecoin price will be under significant threat in the eventuality of any move below 15 cents. There is a massive gap in the volume profile between 15 cents and 9 cents. So, wow, they're saying if we continue to go down, we may see 15 cents and eventually 9 cents with Dogecoin. And I already have a major support level back down here at 16 cents. That was way, way back here. So if we go below that, then we are just going to be in a very bad position with Dogecoin. But I will say this, that is a huge buying opportunity, very huge buying opportunity with Dogecoin. So if that happens, I wouldn't even be sad. I would just be buying more Dogecoins. Now, I do want to talk about this because there are a lot of whales that are seeing and picking up on this and getting Dogecoin at cheap prices. So this whale guy here got in Dogecoin at 24 cents 2 days ago on the 12th, $1.3 billion. That was a huge purchase of Dogecoin. Now they're down to 1.2 billion. So they lost like 100 million just like that. But still, if they hold Dogecoin for the long run, they will have $5.3 billion when it reaches $1. Now let's see when we believe Dogecoin will reach $1. Now, will Dogecoin reach $1 by 2022? Let's see what people think because they did a little survey on here. Shout out to Bazinga for this survey. So anyways, by the end of the year, will Dogecoin reach $1? So for the uninitiated, Dogecoin was introduced as a joke, blah, 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 all this nonsense. But anyways, here are the results that they're talking about here inside the survey. So 68% people, 68.3% say yes, Dogecoin will reach $1 by the end of 2021. Only 31% of people say that it won't reach $1 by the end of 2021. I definitely believe it's quite possible, but the whole crypto market would have to go into a bullish, run, and then Elon Musk would have to throw some tweets in there for Dogecoin to hit $1 by the end of 2021, because 2021 is almost over. Like we're in September, and then October, and then November and December. That's 4 months, and really it's 3.5 months because this month's almost over. So we would have to reach $1 in 3.5 months. The only way we could do that is if we went into a huge a huge bull market, not a bear market. But yeah, we would need a huge bull market in the whole crypto space, and then that would actually help us out, right? So now I want to talk about this other thing. So Dogecoin, Shiba Inu trading volume explode, but correction remains imminent. A lot of people are saying that we're about to have a correction here inside Dogecoin, really inside the whole crypto market, to be honest. But anyways, Dogecoin's trade volume across exchanges increased in response to Elon Musk's tweet and bullish outlook. So if Elon Musk continues to tweet, that's definitely going to help Dogecoin rise. Now over here, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu price are yet to recover from the drop recorded of September 7th, which is definitely true. That's when we had our little flash crash inside the crypto market. It went all the way from down there, all the way down, and we still haven't recovered from this. So I definitely want to see a recovery, but let's be completely honest, we are on a straight downtrend here. And if we continue on this downtrend, then eventually we're going to be met at that support level of 22 cents. So that's why I'm watching this closely, because if we continue to go down on this downtrend, we are definitely going to meet this at 22 cent support. And that's kind of what it's looking like right now. But whenever we do reach the support, just know that momentum builds. So if we reach the support, people are going to see this as a buying opportunity. And if the Doge Army sees this as a buying opportunity, momentum will build back up, and it'll help us try to retest that resistance at 24.50. So hopefully we can do that. But Remember, we don't trade off of hope. But anyways, let's go over this really quick here. So over here, Dogecoin price is yet to recover from the September 7th crash of 23rd or September 7th with 23% losses. But anyways, over here, historically, Musk's tweets have had an impact on Dogecoin, so hopefully he continues to tweet. But anyways, look at this. Elon Musk. All right, yeah, let's just go over here straight to the Twitter. Elon Musk posts Doge memes all day or all the time. Did a Doge segment on Saturday Night Live. Set up Dogecoin mining rigs with his kids. Bought Dogecoin for his son. Transacted with Doge for SpaceX Doge 1 mission. Has a representative on the Dogecoin Foundation and adopted a Shiba Inu puppy. So these are all the accolades of Elon Musk in Dogecoin. So hopefully he continues to do more Dogecoin stuff, because if he does, then just know that's what's going to end up, helping us rise here in Dogecoin. So hopefully this continues to go on. Hopefully he continues to talk about Dogecoin and he continues to push Dogecoin inside the media, because that will help us. But before we close this out, let's go over 5 lessons for Dogecoin. Shout out to this analyst insight for this insight that they gave us. So let's go over this very briefly. Community matters. That's the first thing. Community definitely matters inside of any crypto or inside of anything in general that becomes great. So what can we learn from this? Kindness comes first, like Doge is called do only good every day. So that comes first, doing good with Dogecoin, just like I'm doing now, bringing this content to you guys that's doing good only every day. And as you can see here, what can you learn from this? Also, it's important to laugh. So it's important to have these memes for Dogecoin. That's why Elon Musk keeps posting these memes. He just now posted a picture of his dog, and he said he was going to get a dog named Floki Inu. So now he has a baby CB or a baby Doge called Floki Inu. So it's good to laugh. So anyways, you can also learn this. Nothing is set in stone. People were saying, at the end of Doge Day 420, we're going to get to $1. And then they're saying Saturday Night Live, we're going to get to $1. Now they're saying by the end of this year, we're going to get to $1. So you got to know, nothing is set in stone. We may not get to $1 by the end of the year, but that doesn't mean that it's going to end, because at the end of the day, you still got to laugh about all the jokes of Dogecoin. You still got to have fun with it, and kindness comes first. You still got to be nice to the Doge community and to Dogecoin also. So also, you need to remember, nothing is set in stone, blah, 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 and stand for what you believe in. If you believe in Dogecoin, don't just go sell it, hold it for as long as you want. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice, though. But even a Dogecoin millionaire is holding Dogecoin. But also, the last thing you can learn here, get organized. You have to be organized with Dogecoin. Lots of people had Dogecoin wallets, but they lost them due to disorganization, because Dogecoin's been out since like 2014. And a lot of people used to have Dogecoin back then, and they lost those wallets. So that's definitely something that you want to pay attention to. You want to know exactly where your crypto is. Get you a hardware wallet, get you a Ledger Nano X if you want. I have one of those. They're actually pretty good. But yeah, shout out to this article writer over here, this author. So anyways, we're going to close this out with a closing note here with Dogecoin. Dogecoin could have possibly hit the 22-cent support level. So get ready for that, prepare for that, and definitely know your buying points. We can have a huge support here at 22 cents. If we break 22 cents, we will be heading down to 18 cents. If we break 18 cents, we'll be heading down to 16 cents. If we break 16 cents, we'll be heading down to 9 cents. Those are our support levels, but those are the bearish supports. Now, if we want to talk on a bullish sentiment, let's say we go into a bullish market, we will go up to 24 cents before rising up to 26 cents or 26.50, and then rising up to 28.50, and then eventually to 31, and then eventually to 33, and then 35 for our resistance levels. So this is everything I have with Dogecoin for today, the technical analysis and the news for Dogecoin. This is the Doge Army update. So yeah, if you guys like this video though, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. It helps me bring these videos to you guys more efficiently and more quicker. So anyways, definitely hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And also check out all my other stuff. Find me on Twitter, find me on Instagram, find me on Spotify, Apple Music, BeatStars, all that. Check out the links in the description, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.